I'm Anil Kumar, and here is solution to question number 15, page 409, Nelson. We are reviewing grade 11, trigonometry. Sketch the graph of y equals to 2 times cos 2 of x plus 45 degrees plus 4. Actually, it is a multiple choice question. I have not shown you the graphs. But what we will do here is, we'll just sketch a graph, and then you can always match, correct? So I'll show you a technique of sketching such graphs. So whenever it is a sine or cosine function, I prefer to just sketch a sine function, right? So let's just sketch a function. So like this, we just sketch a sine wave, okay, right? Don't bother about anything, just sketch one sine wave. At the most, what you could have done is, you could have drawn two lines so that you could have had a better graph anyway. Now what is given to us here is, that's a cosine function, and amplitude is 2, axis is 4. That means the center of this graph should be going through 4. So this is y equals to 4 for us, correct? Amplitude is 2. That means the maximum will be 2 units above. So this is 6 for us, and minimum is 2, right? So on the y-axis, those are your points. Now the other thing is, let's find, now k value is given to you as k equals to 2. So the time period will be 360 degrees divided by 2. It really means that there are 2 cosine waves within 360 degrees, right? That is meaning, right? So the k value is 180 degrees. So that is the time period. Now, and the other thing is phase shift of 45 degrees. So phase shift is 45 degrees, and it is minus 45 degrees. It is left. So the cosine graph actually starts at minus 45. Do you understand? So it starts at minus 45. Okay. So this one is at minus 45 degrees. I'm just looking at the scale. So the maximum, because cosine function also always starts with the maximum, it is at minus 45. And the time period is 180, right? So this distance, next peak should be 180 away, right? So that means this point is 180 minus 45. That is 135 degrees, correct? So what you are looking for is, in your graph, that your first maximum is at minus 45, the next maximum is at 135, correct? And clearly the axis is somewhere here, because this is 2, 4 and 6, so that is kind of x-axis, right? And the y-axis is after this, right? So I'm not very particular about it, kind of I'm just sketching, right? Approximately, right? Since I know this is 180, half is 90, and quarter of that is 45. Do you understand? So that means goes almost through this point. That is perfect. So that is how we can approximately sketch our axis, right? So this is, let me write in a different thing. So this is x-axis here, and the y-axis, which is the function. So from the graph, if there is something matching to this, that is your answer. I hope you get the point, right? So that is how you can quickly match from the given graph, right? We are not discussing sketching graph at present. We are discussing matching from the given options. So the key features are that we have two maximums, and these maximums are at minus 45 and 135, since the time period is 180 degrees, right? And that is how the graph is. Maximum is 4 plus 2, and the minimum is 4 minus 2. So then you can perfectly match your graph. I hope that helps. Thank you.